welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group, a little after 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. We're going to talk some altcoins really quickly. First one we want to hit off on is if you're in our premium side of our Discord channel, you will know that we have another added channel here as part of the leverage trading course feature section on forks, hard forks. Okay, that could be hard forks of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we'll see what happens here in the future with some of these other protocols and networks. But you've seen in our our main Discord of people who are just getting into crypto or just coming on board with Crypto Leverage Trading Group for the first time. We talk often about Bitcoin Cash. We added Bitcoin Cash a few months ago, really to focusing on it more. We're on bityard.com right now. Bityard has really all the assets that we want to really look at to leverage trade. There are obviously some that are not on Bityard yet. Bityard has been continually adding more altcoins here this summer, so that's a good thing to talk about. But we're going to focus on Bitcoin Cash today because what's happening is that correlation that we teach and we talk about it. It's really that one method that you want to double down on and concentrate on implementing into any kind of trading strategies you have for Bitcoin. And you also can anything related to Bitcoin, but you also can use it for spot trading. And that's something that gets lost on a lot of traders is if you're going to buy on spot, you want to buy at that best price possible. And then DCA, right? Dollar cost average. Every single time that Bitcoin goes onto a dip, the RSI falls below 20, you want to nibble at Bitcoin, right? Because your whole goal should be in the end to have enough of Bitcoin in your bags for when supply begins to shrink over the next 5 to 10 years. That's really what your goal should be. Your goal should not be to buy Bitcoin spot today to sell it at 50,000 or 55,000. You can do that, certainly. But let's take a look here. Bitcoin Cash, 1 hour. Look at the FOMO today on Saturday in Bitcoin Cash, okay? Obviously, Bitcoin right now is trading at about 49,500, still under 50,000 today. It's been kind of a slow day, really, for across the board in the cryptoverse, with the exception of a couple. And two of the ones you're going to focus on, and I'm almost positive that 95% of the people in the Discord or on YouTube have never heard of or never followed Bitcoin Cash ABC. Okay, that symbol is BCHA. That is a hard fork of Bitcoin Cash, not a fork of Bitcoin, as Bitcoin Cash was a fork of Bitcoin. Okay, and so what you're seeing today is Bitcoin Cash ABC up 53% to $126 today, mates, on a Saturday, low volume. This is why low volume Saturdays can completely change the game for you, either up or down. Volume is the key on Saturday once you've determined the direction the market's going, okay? Bitcoin Cash, 1 hour FOMO chart, says it right here. Last 6 hours. That's what you got, mates. MACD cross here, right at here. RSI below the average at 40, okay? And then we have not looked back since. We are now at about an RSI 80 for Bitcoin Cash this evening at 670 to 72. You're going to go back here and you can see that really that 687 is more or less the next level, really, after 680 to 687 is that next level we want to get us back to 700. And that's what we've talked about, right? We've come down from 700, okay, in the last week and a half, back down to like 610, 615, and now back all the way up, okay? And a lot of that is tied to the correlation, of course, to Bitcoin. And so you want to focus on that and understand that when you see in the market moves for Bitcoin and Ethereum, that you need your thing is, if you're not in those, then you want to be asking the question, okay, how can I hitch my caboose or wagon to that train, right? Like without having to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum at those price levels, to buy more inexpensive tokens, assets, okay, that are going to rise in tandem with Bitcoin. So you can play that movement. And that's really the whole goal of correlated trading, mates. But the key is to know when and which indicators to use, and that's what we will teach you.